Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lamont Smith, and I'm currently one of the students here in the SW664. Currently, I'm doing an internship at the Veterans Administration in the HUD VAST department. We assist homeless veterans in obtaining housing, not only just obtaining it, but also maintaining it, and getting any other necessary needs that they might have during the course of maintaining their homes. I've been with them for the last semester. Hopefully, I'll be employed with them at the end of my final semester here at Widener. What I planned on learning for this trauma class is to become more familiar with the different elements of trauma and how those different elements can affect clients that come to see me. I've learned in the last couple of years that most of, if not all, my clients have experienced some sort of trauma during the course of their life. Some have affected them greatly, others not so much. And also some are aware of the trauma and some of them are not aware. So learning about trauma and the elements and how it affects people will definitely help me in assisting those that come to me for assistance. Self-treatment. One of the things I've planned on doing, which I've started already, but I'll continue to do, is to take breaks. Make sure that during the course of the day, I have periods where I get away from everything, maybe even take a nap here and there. Another thing that I do or plan on doing is getting away from media, taking time away from the Facebook, from the computer. Maybe even turn off the television every once in a while to relax the mind and the eyesight and just all the data that's going back and forth, and the news, the bad news, the good news, and everything else. And the third thing is to take a walk every once in a while. Get outside, stretch my legs, get some fresh air, put in a new perspective, so to speak. At any rate, look forward to working with you guys during the course of the semester. Hope to learn about trauma and some new friends as well. Thank you so much.